Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means every single candlestick represents 1 hour. Whenever I place the cursor on a particular candlestick, you can see the date below. These double dotted vertical lines always indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. Yesterday crude market opened somewhere around 5360. You can see this black color candlestick and this double dotted line that indicates the price opening. And what we expected yesterday was that as a continuous follower of our presentations, you may note that we were targeting this 5300 and 5320. Unless until we get a closing below this or a strong price action with a very good resistance around 5320, we didn't expect the market to come down. So till then we expected the market will stay in uptrend, but we had identified this is going to be a 5360 is also going to be a crucial intermediate support and resistance zone. So many times you can see that for the past how long, for almost all the days within the past few weeks, you would have seen this 5360 zone. Now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening around 5360, you can see the market straight away gave some momentum. So previously yesterday, if you see the previous day, after the price opening, apart from the low volatility, we can see the market had some good buying. And the price closed higher also. So yesterday's market opened above the previous day's price closing, and you can see after the price opening the market straight away it slowly went and tested 5400, and before that the market came down. You can see it again came down and tested. You can see a drop in this candlestick. You can see this leg of the candlestick came down and tested 5360. And as we all know, this 5400 and 5420 both are great resistance. You can see how long the market is struggling. You can follow this zone which we had identified as 5400 420. You can see that right from 21st you can see the date below. Till then the market is finding really hard to break this zone. So that is the reason you can see after testing the zone the price came down. And also we had crude oil inventory report yesterday. So this is a stick that we found the action when the inventory report came. So after the inventory report also the market didn't had much momentum, and initially it dropped after the report, but it gained some momentum and it gave a complete reversal and pullback, but slowly and steadily the market dropped down. You can see after this 5400 every candlestick is in red color, which means all the red candlestick indicates a bear candlestick. So it came down and closed around 5350. Probably yesterday's price closing is more or less equal to the previous day's price closing. Now let us see, we should identify what we can do for today, because the market is taking some resistance around 5400 again. It is not easily clearing the zone, and also it is finding a strong support around 5300 and 320. Let us go back and see the international prices, what had happened. The chart you are viewing is the same 1 hour chart, which means all this candlestick represents 1 hour, and you can see the date and time below and the price quoted in dollars. This is a chart, the NYMEX price. Often crude is traded in NYMEX in the international market. Here you see the price quoted in dollars. So this is the price action. You can see this candlestick where I am pointing out. This is the zone where the MCX market opened, and slowly and steadily we got some momentum. We got a dip and then the price went up. So this area above and near $98 marks 5400, and again the price came down, and as we had pointed out, this 96.4 and this zone. Let us see that after the inventory report, this was the drop we had. We got this drop, and again there was a bounce back consolidation, and now the price is trading at $97.13. So what this implies, so let us see this 98 point the price around $98. Why the price is struggling here? we can follow this. Let me draw a line here so that around $98, so that you can easily follow this red color line. If we go back and see how many times the market has trying to break this and it was a failure around $98, so that is the reason the price is taking a strong resistance around this 98 to $98.2 marks 5,400 and 5,420 zones. The zone between 96.2, and you can see yesterday the market low was here. You can see this candlestick. Yesterday market low in international market was here. The same time we got 5,330 when the price drops, which indicates that the price what zone we are following was 5,320 and 5,300. This is a zone we expected the market can show a possible pull up, that is a strong support zone, which means that this $96, you can see there was a lot of support here in and around this 96 and $96.6. So this zone marks the area which we are targeting to be a strong support zone, and $98, this zone marks the area where we are getting a strong resistance. But on seeing the whole chart, what you can see is that slowly the price is increasing. It is not taking a lot of resistance, though there was a resistance around 98. Slowly, whenever there is a drop, it is showing a bounce back and increasing. So that is a major reason why we said unless until we see a strong price action below 5,300, we don't expect the market to bounce back. If you calculate the possibilities whether the market can go up or down, see, you can see on the basis of the price action. Don't leave everything and see the price actions. The market was supported by $94.6 here. Again the low, you can see all the lows are increasing, which shows us that there are possibilities that the price can move higher. That is a major reason why we say till this zone you can go for a buying. Till 5,300 to 5,320 we are expecting the market to stay in buying, because if the price breaks this zone and if it comes down below, sure you may get a big profit after taking a reversal. So we need as a strong trend follower, unless until we get a clear confirmation we don't go against the trend. Let us see where the price can open today. See, now the price in the international market is staying around $97.12. You can see this it is staying around $97.12. On the previous day, that is yesterday the night, MCX closed more or less near the same zone when the price was trading around $97.1. So today also we can expect the market to open somewhere around 5,360. Based upon the NYMEX price alone, we are predicting the price opening, it can open around 5,360. But it may be subject to changes based upon the currency value also. So you can see 9 o'clock, since we are posting this presentation well before the currency and the commodities market opens, so it may be subject to few changes. This is how we predict the price opening in advance. So today also there is no change in our strategy unless until the price clears these both 300 and 400 zones. It is a long consolidation in crude, let us see, and hopefully it is a good consolidation. Always we prefer the market to enter into a consolidation zone, so that after it clear after the price gives us a break up or break down, you can expect a huge profit. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.